Hi guys, I'm launching my coffee theme budget planner. So this is a theme that is more on coffee, and I personally would like to say that this theme is close to me because I love coffee. So kayo, if you like coffee, then go ahead, have this kind of planner. We're gonna walk through on how it looks like inside. So the first page would be my yearly goal planner. As you can see, we have the January up until December. So this planner is undated, so you can use this any time of the year. Any year nyo pa siyang gagamitin, pwede. Then the next part is we have our savings tracker. So it's more on the brownish color, coffee color talaga siya, guys. So yeah, this is the first part, savings tracker. Then we have the money pot. So it's still the same. It's the same savings tracker because we all know that we have a different kind of savings plan. So if you are saving for emergency funds, for school stuff, car, house, or anything, we have that kind of savings tracker, guys. And another savings tracker, which is like a piggy bank type of savings. Then another set of savings trackers. So this is still be a coffee one. And the budget planner, the monthly budget planner, guys. So the look and feel of this is more on the coffee. So if I'm gonna use this, I'm more on in touch of, in love with the coffee. So I'm more on motivated to work on this. Then the summary, which is the monthly savings planner, guys. So we have the monthly savings planner, the debt tracker, and the bills to pay if you have one. So that's what is inside of our coffee theme budget planner, guys. This is only for 150 pesos, and once you buy this, you are supporting me as a designer and creative planner, guys, and it helps me keep going because you are supporting and you are buying my digital product. Also, this is available for printed, so once you have a copy, you can print it out, can use it anytime, guys. But still available pa din naman yung minimalist na type, like very basic lang. So if you wanted to get that, that's gonna be still for free. It will be linked in the description one. But if you wanted to help me and support my dream, so yes, have this coffee plan. I will continue to create more kind of themes. If you have any ideas of what kind of theme would it be, please comment down below, and I would love to create that for you guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.